natural surroundings. It helps life to grow and nourish. Environment plays a vital role in the existence of life on Earth, and it helps human beings, animals, and other living things to grow. What are the functions of environment? Number one is to ensure that resources are available. The environment offers resources for production, includes both renewable and non-renewable resources. Example of this is wood, furniture, soil, and land. Number two, sustains life. The environment includes the sun, soil, water, and air, which are essential for human life. It sustains life by providing genetic biodiversity. Number three, waste absorption. Waste produced as a result of production and consumptions. This is mainly observed in the form of garbage. Number four, it improves one's quality of life. The quality of life is improved by the surroundings. Humans appreciate the true beauty of nature, which includes rivers, mountains, and deserts, among other things. Our environment faces several problems, and many of these seem to be worsening with time, bringing us into a time of a true environmental crisis. It is therefore becoming increasingly important to raise awareness of the existence of these issues, as well as what can be done to reduce their negative impact. Some of the key issues are: number one is pollution. Pollution of the air, water, and soil caused by the toxins such as plastics, heavy metals, and nitrates caused by the factors such as toxins and gases released by factories, combustions of fossil fuels, acid rain, oil spill, and industrial waste. Number two is global warming. The emission of greenhouse gases due to human activity causes global warming, which in turn causes an increase in temperature, then leads to rising sea levels, melting of polar ice caps, flash floods, and desertification. Number three is overpopulation. We are facing a shortage of resources such as food, water, and fuel to sustain the rising global population, particularly in developing countries. Intensive agriculture attempting to lessen the problem actually leads to more damage through the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides. Number four is waste disposal. An excessive amount of waste is produced and dumped into the oceans. Nuclear waste is particularly dangerous, as well as plastics and electronic waste. Number 5, species and habitats are becoming extinct due to human activity. This causes an imbalance in natural processes like pollination and poses a threat to ecosystem. Coral reef destruction is particularly affected. Number 6, deforestation. Loss of trees in order to make space for residential, industrial, or commercial project means that less oxygen is produced and temperature and rainfall are affected. Here are some 6 important reasons why we should care about the environment. Number 1 is to enhance human health. The state of the environment plays a huge role in our overall health. Outdoor air pollution can lead to harmful diseases like asthma and bronchitis. It can also affect the quality of our food, which can lead to ingestions of dangerous toxins. The cleaner our environment is, the better chance we have at living a healthy. Number 2, to protect our ecosystem. The way we treat the environment has a direct impact on the world's most vulnerable species. Multiple species are at risk of extinction due to irresponsible human behavior. If we want to protect these precious animals, we must strive to preserve their natural habitats. This means reducing pollution, making educated consumer choices, and traveling responsibly. Supporting ecotourism efforts that help protect wildlife is important. Eco-friendly tours educate tourists about animal conservation and the importance of environmental protection. Number 3, to protect our natural resources. Our natural resources are limited, which affects the sustainability of our communities. Making sustainable and renewable choices in your daily life will help to preserve these crucial resources. This means using less plastic, choosing eco-friendly products, and minimizing food waste. These are simple practices that everyone can integrate into their life. If we want our communities to thrive, we must allow nature to thrive as well. Number 4 is to fight climate change. As the Earth's temperature continues to rise, we are seeing more and more dangerous weather patterns emerging. This is largely due to the human activity that has created increased levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide. For the future of our planet, it is our moral responsibility to help fight climate change. Making a genuine effort to protect our environment on a daily basis will make all the difference to our future. Number 5 is to foster economic growth. Protecting the environment also has benefits for the economy. A healthy environment helps to boost nature-based tourism and encourage responsible travel practices. The ecotourism sector is a huge contributor to many economies around the world. It can help fund conservation projects, create jobs, and increase the economic value of local communities. Number 6 is to pave way for the future generations. The way we treat the earth today will affect the lives of generations to come. Doing your part to protect this environment will benefit your grandchildren and great-grandchildren. It's our job to set a positive example for the future generations. If we show our appreciation for the environment now, younger generations may grow up with an eco-friendly mindset too. The sooner we begin to take responsibility for the environment, the better. Thank you for watching my infomercial video. Again, this is April Joy Espayos of 2EdPhil 4V. Always remember that progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything.